My dear Carmelites of class 10, today again we will discuss about the chapter climate. Today's topic is southwest monsoon or rainy season. Rainy season, also called the southwest monsoon season, begins in June with the southwest monsoons and ends in September. Now, something about the word monsoon. Monsoon is a term derived from the Arabic word mosim, means season. It was first used by Arabic navigators to describe the seasonal winds of the Arabian Sea. These winds blow from the northeast for one half of the year and from southwest for the other half. Monsoon winds blow from cold to warm regions because cold air takes up more space than warm air. Now you see in the next diagram here the winds blow from the high pressure areas over sea to the low pressure areas over the land. From the next diagram also you can understand, from the high pressure zone the wind blows towards the low pressure zone. These winds are loaded with moisture. As these winds come over the land, they rise along the hill slopes and mountains. After rising, these winds become cooler and lose their capacity to hold moisture. This causes rain. Since the pressure in the ocean to the south of the landmass is high, it attracts the southeast trade winds which prevail in the southern hemisphere. These winds, after crossing the equator, are deflected towards the right because of the Coriolis force and reach the west coast as southwest monsoon. These winds bring heavy rainfall accompanied by thunder and lightning. This sudden violent onset of rainfall in the first week of June is termed as burst of monsoon. With this, the monsoon begins. It extends from June to September. Intense heating in northwest India creates low pressure region. Low pressure attract the wind from the surrounding region. After having rains for a few days, sometime monsoon fails to occur for one or more weeks is known as break in monsoon. In the next part, we will discuss about the branches of southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon winds divides into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Now look at the map and listen. The Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon strikes the western coast of India in Kerala. It is marked with arrows. Kindly see the arrows in the map. It gives very and heavy rainfall along the windward side of Western Ghats. The duration and amount of rainfall decreases as this branch advances northward. The two regions of very little rain of Arabian Sea are the moisture-laden winds that pass over Rajasthan do not saturate. This is because the heat in desert region increases their moisture holding capacity. The alignment of Aravalli is parallel to rain-bearing southwest monsoon winds. Moreover, Aravalli are very low. After picking moisture from the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Bengal branch moves towards northeast. The coasts of Myanmar and Bangladesh Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the first to receive rainfall from this branch. Moreover, Mawsynram near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya stands at the end of funnel-shaped valley which acts as a trap for rain-bearing Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon, forcing them to shed moisture. Distribution of rainfall received from southwest monsoons is largely governed by the relief or topography. For example, Mahabaleshwar on the windward side of the Western Ghats receives a rainfall of over 250 cm, whereas Pune on the leeward side of these Ghats receives less than 70 cm of rainfall. Thank you, class. Next day we will discuss about the retreating monsoon and winter season. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.